So welcome to the Thomas family haircutting day. There is no rhyme or reason to it. It happens whenever we decide that there are haircuts that need to be done.
Well, Daddy sent me down to the hardware store to get some red paint for the new barn door. And when I pulled in the parking lot, there she stood. Well, I smiled at her and she winked at me. She said, "Nice to meet you, I'm Emily." And she wrote her number in the dust on my hood. Well, I left my cell phone back at home, and I ain't got a pen. And I could smell a storm coming in the wind. So Lord, please bless this truck. The tires are as worn as this old clutch in third gear. It always likes to stick, and I need to get home quick. One drop of water could change it all. So God, please don't let it fall. It's just 5 more miles to Cherry Lane, and I'm praying it don't rain. Daddy'd kill me if he knew I was praying against something the crops could use. But Daddy ain't seen them legs on Emily. Well, I vowed to run my buddies and the sheriff down the back roads in this town. But I ain't never tried to outrun a storm cloud. So Lord, please bless this truck. The tires are as worn as this old clutch in third gear. It always likes to stick, and I need to get home quick. One drop of water could change it all. So God, please don't let it fall. It's just 3 more miles to Cherry Lane, and I'm praying it don't rain. Oh, rain, rain, stay away. Won't you come again another day? And so much ain't riding on the hood of my Chevrolet. So Lord, please bless this truck. The tires are as worn as this old clutch in third gear. It always likes to stick, and I need to get home quick. One drop of water could change it all. So God, please don't let it fall. It's just 1 more mile to Cherry Lane, and I'm praying it don't rain. I'm praying it don't rain.
Let me introduce you to 2-year-old Donnie Boy. I love cutting his hair, and I will do it until the day he tells me not to. There's really no rhyme or reason to this either. I was just going for a high and tight approach. To this point, I had never cut the top of his hair. It was always around his ears or shaving the sides. But I decided, you'll see later on in the video, that even after I do the high and tight and I don't touch the top, I go back over a few days later and I clean the top up a little bit, hoping that his hair will grow out a little bit thicker. So he's my boy, and he grows up by years every time I cut his hair. At least that's what it looks like in my eyes.
I
temper fly. She can walk away when she's had enough. She sees everybody for who they really are. I'm so thankful for her guidance. She helped me get this far. When I love, I give it all I've got, like my mother does. When I'm scared, I bow my head and pray, like my mother does. When I feel weak and unpretty, I know I'm beautiful and strong, because I see myself like my mother does. She's a rock, she is grace, she's an angel, she's my heart and soul. She does it all. When I love, I give it all I've got, like my mother does. When I'm scared, I bow my head and pray.
Rylan, she's 4. I've never cut her hair or let anyone else cut her hair before. So I just throw her hair in a ponytail, I flip it over the front of her head, and I just chop the dead ends off, thinking in the long run that's going to make her hair grow faster and a lot healthier. Watch the hair fall to the floor.
Like my
Watch it
mother does, like my mother does. I hear people saying I'm starting to look like my mother does.
It's always significant cleanup after haircut time. Come on. Spin around in a circle. Spin. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Look at Maggie. Turn around. Look at the wall. Look at the wall. Look at the window.
In the secret of His presence, how my soul delights to hide. Oh, how precious are the lessons which I learned in Jesus. Earthly cares can never vex me, neither trials lay me low. For when Satan
Daddy.
comes to tempt me,
What's up?
to the secret place I go. To the secret place I go.
Put your head down, Donnie. Put it down so everybody can see it. So this is a couple days later, and I actually decided to take like a number 6 on the top and cut his hair down a little bit so that we could clean the sides up, because when I cut it originally, I cut it so that it would lay to the side, and if it wasn't gelled, it looked kind of funky. So now it's high and tight even. Donnie, say cheese. Go to the cheese. And he's got some grown-up boy haircut going on. Say bye.
If I tried, I could not utter what He says when thus we meet. What He says when thus we